All right, we have one more prize pack. So now this is going to the people that RSVP'd on our Facebook event page for the open house that was Saturday, April 26th from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. So this list is not very big, so there's only one prize available for this one, and it's a surprise pack. So I don't even know what is in this pack, but Brinley has put this one together, and it is sure to have some really great items in there for you. So we're going to put the list of names in here, and we are going to do a draw for one single surprise pack, and good luck. The winner is Jay McGill. Jay, we will be reaching out to you on Facebook. Congratulations, and we'll see you soon.